Your lesson essential question is how can you use hundreds, tens, and ones to make a number in different ways? So today we're going to be looking at making numbers in different ways using those hundreds, those tens, and those ones. So let's say I have the number 123. Remember, 10 ones make 110, and 10 tens make 100. So, the easiest way to make 123 is by doing 100, 2 tens, and 3 ones. Because that's what each place value shows. 1 in the hundreds, 2 in the tens place, and 3 in the ones place. So we have 123, or 100 plus 20 plus 3. What if we took this 100 and we broke it up into tens? How many tens are in 100? 10 tens are in 100. So if we have 10 tens here and 2 tens here, 10 plus 2 is 12. So another way we can write this number is by doing 12 tens and then our 3 ones. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, plus 1, 2, 3. 120 plus 3. So we used 12 tens and 3 ones. Another way is if we took one of our tens and we broke it up into ones. How many ones are in a 10? 10. So let's keep our 100. Let's use 110, and we're taking the last 10 and breaking it up into 10 tens, 10 ones. So 10 ones plus the 3 ones, 10 plus 3 is 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So remember, 10 of these came from the tens place. Oops. So we have 100 plus 10 plus 13. It still equals 123. So there's different ways we can break apart our numbers and move them to different place values.